Hi there, having a look at a 2019 Chevrolet Malibu hybrid. Looking for fuel economy, this is it. 4.8 liters per 100 kilometers in the city with our hybrid electric propulsion engine. 17-inch aluminum wheels. This color is called NORTHSKY Blue Metallic. So at the rear here is your great entry space into your trunk area. You'll notice here, that's where your electric hybrid battery is housed. So you lose a little bit of cargo back here, but you do gain in the fuel economy substantially. Rear seats fold down, and they actually fold down from the back. You can see the latches here to unlock them. You can see how they fold through the side there. So in your rear passenger area, lots of room back here. As you can see, I'm not real tall, but tons of room there for me. Rear vents for your passengers. Third seat belt and seat here, or armrest with cup holders. So up front here, great bucket seat configuration. Lots of cool features like you'd expect from a advanced vehicle like a hybrid. You can see over here in the driver's gauge cluster, I've actually got a really nice dynamic information center and a few different things you wouldn't see in a non-hybrid vehicle. All of your controls from the steering wheel, all your cruise here, radio controls. Down below you see an electronic parking brake, full suite of safety features like blind zone alerts, lane change alerts, rear park assist, heated seats up front, and dual zone automatic climate control, and of course an 8-inch color touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto enabled.